Welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to turn on the Playing Media app icon badges for Chrome on your phone. If you've ever wanted to see a quick visual indicator whenever Chrome is playing media, like music or a video, this simple setting will take care of it. Just follow along with these clear steps, and by the end, you'll have everything set up perfectly. First, start by heading over to your phone's settings. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to adjust how your apps behave on your device. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every single app installed on your phone, and of course, Chrome will be among them. Next, find Chrome and give it a tap. This will bring up all of Chrome's specific settings within your device, including options for storage, permissions, and notifications. From here, you're going to select Notifications. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see a variety of categories. Each category controls a different kind of alert or notification Chrome can send you. The one we're focusing on is Notification categories. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, look for the option labeled Playing Media. This is the category that controls notifications and icon badges when Chrome is playing music, podcasts, or videos. Tap on Playing Media to open the settings for it. Once you're inside, you'll see a toggle switch. This is the key step. Turn this toggle on for app icon badges. When this is enabled, whenever Chrome is actively playing media, you'll see a small icon badge right on Chrome's app icon. It's a quick and easy way to know instantly whenever something is playing in the background without opening the app. And that's it. You've successfully turned on the Playing Media app icon badges for Chrome. From now on, you won't have to wonder whether Chrome is playing audio or video. You'll be able to tell straight from your home screen. It's a small tweak, but it makes things so much more convenient. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to follow these steps anytime you set up a new device or reinstall Chrome.